I know, because these are all lined up.
Oh, make them run.
And it's cold and you're like walking around.
It's better walking around in the cold than walking around in the hot. I don't like the cold.
Nah, not really. Because you can wear shorts and all that. Well, it should be fresh, like the air.
I know, like hot, but like really like a bunch of air.
Beach.
Angel, you?
It's not really
Where you
hot.
guys from?
From here.
Right?
Hi. Okay. Okay, I was gonna say.
Hey, try to like.
Taking a video, right?
Yeah, I have to. On the boat.
Make sure you get the horse.
Hey, little horse.
Did I tell you his name was Magic?
Hi, Magic.
You can Clydesdale
That's
horse.
it. You want the water?
What?
I have my horse name, but not my horse.
Make sure you don't drive any.
No, you can't videotape people.
What's wrong with it?
Because like there, you can't put them. If you do, you
They
can't put
probably
them on
don't
the
want their
internet.
face shown.
Oh. Where are you going, horse? I want to see the horse in the mirror.
Let me see.
Hi.
Oh, the horse. Hey. Let me see. You and Kiara, scoot in so because I can see your face.
Kiara, get on the picture.
Hi.
Hi. We're in a carriage right now.
On the
Kiara,
horse.
look at the horse.
Can I see it? Let me see. Oh. Let's pass it on.
Look at the horse. That's Magic. Her head just gets
Look
in
at
the
the
way.
little foot. Look at the
The
little
shoe. Magic. Oh no, I'm not
Let
gonna
me
call
see.
him. He just looks around. What would the world be if horses talked?
Hi.
Like if all animals talked?
That'd be weird.
Let me see.
Say hi, Bill.
Hi.
Sua. Saul.
Shut up.
Name is Saul. Jeremiah, say hi.
We're on a carriage. And how you know we're just on video
Y'all
I'm
gotta
not-
pretend you're in a parade and wave at everybody. There you go. Have a little fun. There's a lot of friendly people here in town.
Hi. She would just sit right in front of the camera. Hey.
I can't get all of y'all.
The water. It's me. Here. Use the link. It's me.
Here.
Hi, camera. Oh my god, it feels good over here. Oh, it feels really like it should be like this every day.
Hi. Hi.
I don't like when people stare at me.
There's a bunch of girls here.
Hi.
So you girls are all school Friday and Monday, right?
Uh-huh.
It was Friday because it was Good Friday, right? Good Friday. Monday because it was teacher day. Y'all was out of school Friday.
That's why I asked. I was like, hey, you're not in school anymore.
We had school on Friday because it was Good Friday.
Some people do, like high schoolers. Some they have school on school and like middle school now.
Switching.
Who's switching? Magic.
Let me see it. This chick was showing. This chick was showing herself.
Huh?
This chick was showing herself.
Hi.
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 The babies are cute.
On top of it.
Okay. I want a car like that. That's my car.
Hey, just take the car behind us.
Huh?
Huh?
Picture of the car.
I don't know, because the car. It's a badass car. Careful.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at the little toy girl. Hi.
I like your bike. Angel, you couldn't go closer. like your car, but I like my horse better. When I get older, I'm gonna get one of these, so like every day I can just be riding around in a horse. I'm like, yeah, I like your car. Yeah, but I like my horse better. Just keep walking.
Let me see if I can snap pictures.
Okay.